What is up, everybody? It is Spenny with Spill the Goods. How do you change the background of your videos from looking like this to this? That is a great question, and today we're going to explore that. I'm going to show you exactly what I did in order to get my home studio from looking like, I don't know, a home studio to something that is more professional. So with that, let me take you on a home studio improvement journey and tell you what I did step by step. Let's dive right into it. All right, I think first and foremost, I want to talk about lighting. Like, for example, what even is this lighting? I've got my Insta360 up here so you can kind of get a full glimpse of the room. I apologize for the messiness, but all I have is two kind of light stands on either side of me. And I don't know, there's just no depth of field because there's no lighting behind me. So what I want to do is actually add some lights to the wall behind me. Let's go ahead and open those lights. Okay, I got some battery-powered lights that I'm going to be putting on the wall behind me. Yeah. This is the whole light setup right there. And like I said, they're battery-powered, so you actually plug in right here on the bottom. You have a USB-C port, and it just charges it up. But there's two of them. And then I have my mounting plates and kit right here. Oh, we've got charging cords, two different remotes. I think that is everything inside this box. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put one of these on either side, just kind of equidistant from the wall, just so that it gives a little bit of depth. Let's get these on the wall. Do not over tighten. If you over tighten, you strip it and it messes things up. Take it from me. I have messed up a lot of these. All right, there we go. Ooh, the in-home studio is already feeling a little bit more like I want it to feel like. I kind of wanted that darker lighting look, so I turned off one of my bright lights here. I just have one of them going, and then I've got these lights behind me that give a little bit of depth of field, and I'm kind of liking the way that this looks. Here's what's really cool about these lights behind me. One is they don't have to be plugged into the power of your home. They're actually battery powered, and they say on the website 25 to 70 hours of uninterrupted, reliable lighting. Now, I will say 25 to 70 hours, that's a pretty wide range. So I don't know exactly what that means, but they last a long time. I love that they're rechargeable and that it's not a battery that I have to put in there. There is a USB-C port, and I can just charge these up to full, and then they'll run for a long time behind me. Because I'm not gonna be running these all the time, pretty much only when I'm filming, they're gonna last a really long time. The other great thing is you have a remote. What's nice is I can power everything from it. So I can turn it off, I can turn it on, and then it's totally customizable in terms of brightness. I can increase the brightness, I can decrease the brightness. Oh, and it turns out this remote is actually working on both. It's got all the RGB coloring as well, so I can customize my background. That's pretty freaking cool. If you're looking for a good way to light your videos and just have some light in the background that adds some variety to a different video that you're making or a different mood as part of a video you're making, this is a great option. I kind of like that mood right there. Feel like I'm in a spa. Yeah. This is nice. All right, now that I have taken care of the lighting issue that I've had in this home studio, let's go ahead and take care of the background design. Kind of stinks. A little bit boring, a little bit bland, and I think we can make it just a little bit better. Let's do it. All right, I'm gonna
put up this last tile. These are just kind of, they're foam tiles, and honestly, they're really cheap, but they're supposed to dull noise and at the same time give some kind of decoration to the wall. And you can also just peel off this piece of paper here, and then this back side of the foam is sticky, but I kind of like to reuse these in different places, so I use this blue tacky stuff. Anyway, everything is linked in the description that I'm using in this video so that you can kind of take a peek at it and see if it's something you'd be interested in, or you can go a different route. I really don't care. All right, let's get this last one up. I think that looks pretty good. It really is amazing how just a little bit of lighting and some studio design improves the look of your studio and your footage in a huge way. Even with this wide view of you getting the entire back wall, but also it looks even better when I push in a little bit and the field of view narrows. Now, do I think that this is a completely finished project? No, a studio is never a finished project. The whole purpose of this video is to show you that you don't need to invest a lot of time or money into your set in order to improve the way that it looks when you're filming. Some minor tweaks in lighting and set design can make a significant difference. All right, everything I used in this video is in the description below. Also, if you're curious about what microphone I use or what lighting kit I'm using behind me, that is also linked so you can get a good idea of how I am setting up my studio. If you have any questions about this process or want to bounce ideas off of me, please leave those in the comments. I'm very good at responding to them there. Again, my name is Spenny. This channel is Spill the Goods. We'll talk to you soon.